Prior to starting to record this episode, we were talking a little bit about yawning. And you told me something really, truly fascinating about yawning, which was...
So there are at least 4 competing theories of yawning that we have, and I think there is probably an emerging clear winner. The first theory was that it was just tiredness, that yawning is simply a sign of you being tired. And it turns out that that's not true, because many people can yawn when they're bored and they are not tired and they've been very well rested. So that doesn't seem to be true. The next one was one that seems to be very logical, which is it's about trying to rebalance your blood gases, and specifically oxygen and carbon dioxide.